The Hacienda Luisita Massacre of November 16, 2004 is stand as one of the most tragic labor incidents in Philippine history, occurring when Philippine National Police and Regional Mobile Group officers opened a fire striking sugar plantations workers at the 6,453-hectare estates in Tarlac province owned by the politically powerful Coangco Aquino family. So the incident began when 327 workers from the Central Azucarera, the Tarlac Sugar Mill, went on strike on November 6, 2004, peacefully demanding a wage increase from a major 9.50 to 12.50 pesos per day, and improve working conditions after years of subsistence level wages and lack of basic benefits. The tragedy stemmed from multiple systemic failures, including extreme economic inequality, decades-old unresolved agrarian reform issues dating back to the 1980s, the landowners' influential political connections, weak labor law enforcement and management outright refusal to engage in meaningful negotiations with workers. When the peaceful 10-day strike was met with a lethal force rather than dialogue, it resulted in 7 deaths, including a 2-year-old child, 121 injuries, and lasting psychological traumas that displaced entire families from the communities. The consequences extended far beyond the immediate human cost, as criminal cases against security personnel dropped on the 4 years. With minimal accountability, victim families received inadequate compensations, and the incident generated widespread national media attentions and international condemnations from human rights organizations. The massacres exposed the deep-rooted inequalities and feudal labor relations with persons in Philippine society, where agricultural workers remain among the most vulnerable group and became a powerful symbol of the ongoing struggle for workers' rights and social justice. It highlighted the critical need for comprehensive agrarian reform, stronger labor protection, including fair wages and safe working conditions. So, accountable governance that ensures equal protections regardless of social class, and effective people's conflict resolution mechanism to prevent such devastating confrontations when legitimate worker grievances are addressed with violence rather than genuine social dialogue.